Also breaking news out of criminal court here in New Orleans as Tyrell Morris, the former 911 director for the city, pleads not guilty to charges stemming from an accident and alleged cover-up related to a 2023 crash in a city-owned vehicle and our WDSU investigation. WDSU investigative reporter Cassie Sherm has been following every detail on this case from the beginning and joins us now with what unfolded today and what's next for this former city leader.
Former director Tyrell Morris pled not guilty before the judge today to 4 counts: malfeasance in office, false personation of a peace officer, insurance fraud, and second degree of injuring public records. Now, my investigation into Morris last year started 4 days after Morris was in an accident in his government-issued car. In an interview that same week, Morris told WDSU a car clipped his right bumper and the two pulled over. He said because no one was hurt and because there wasn't anyone available to dispatch right away, Morris and the driver agreed to exchange information and leave. WDSU Investigates obtained video of the accident from the city crime camera. It shows video of Morris swerving into the other driver, then turning on his blue lights and following that driver. When we first spoke to Morris, he said he did not have to get a drug or alcohol test after the crash. He said he didn't have to because it wasn't in their policy. I asked for that policy issued in 2019. In my investigation, I found Morris modified the document given to me to show he didn't have to take a test. He changed it minutes after I called him. After court today, I tried to get answers from Morris and his lawyer, Brian Capitelli, about these altered documents. Hi, do you guys have anything to say after today's hearing?
We don't have anything. We just filed some motions today. We're asking the state for additional discovery, and on the 31st, we'll see what they give us, and we intend to test the legal sufficiency of the case at this point. So that's all the comments we have right now.
Tyrell, do you have anything to say for giving WDSU false or inaccurate documents? You pled not guilty today. Do you believe that you're not guilty for all 4 counts? Even though your name was on the metadata that basically changed the documents before it was given to WDSU? 17 minutes after I called you. Now, the case will be back in court for discovery July 31st. This is where the DA's office will turn over any of the evidence for this case, and we're going to be following this very closely. Reporting here in studio, I'm Cassie Sherm, WDSU Investigates.
Also, right